Want to know the best tips for indoor gardening? Today, we dive into the vibrant world of indoor plants. Not only do they enhance your living space, but they also boost your mental health and purify your surroundings. Stay tuned for some top-notch indoor gardening tips. Firstly, choosing the right plants is pivotal. Your indoor garden's success hinges on picking plants that can adapt to your home's unique conditions. Lighting, temperature, and humidity are vital factors to consider as they significantly influence your plant's growth. Some popular choices for indoor plants include the resilient snake plant, the easy-to-care-for pothos, and the air-purifying spider plant. Each brings a unique touch of greenery while being perfectly suited for indoor life. Remember, the right plant can thrive even in the most challenging indoor conditions. Next, let's discuss watering and fertilizing. Overwatering is a common mistake for indoor gardeners. To avoid this, touch the soil. If it's dry to the touch, it's time to water. Now, to fertilizers. These are like vitamins for your plants, enhancing growth and health. A good rule of thumb is to fertilize once every 2 weeks during growth periods and once a month during dormant periods. With proper watering and fertilizing, your indoor plants will be healthier and more vibrant. Lastly, pest management and regular care are essential. Indoor plants can be affected by common pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. To manage them, use a mild insecticidal soap or a homemade solution of water and mild dish soap. Regular care is equally important. This includes cleaning leaves to remove dust and pruning to promote growth. Keeping your plants pest-free and well-groomed will ensure they remain attractive and healthy. To sum up, indoor gardening can be a rewarding hobby with a plethora of benefits. Remember, it's all about choosing the right plants, watering and fertilizing correctly, and providing regular care and pest management. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice. Happy gardening!